PenFed Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if the credit card you choose this year could quietly save you thousands of dollars in interest, unlock powerful military-style benefits, and give you one of the most underrated financial advantages in America, yet most people walk right past it because they misunderstand who it is really for. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Understanding PenFed credit cards in 2025 could change the way you think about credit entirely. PenFed, short for Pentagon Federal Credit Union, is one of the largest and most respected credit unions in the United States. While it was originally created to serve military members and their families, today PenFed is open to almost everyone. And this is where the surprising truth begins. You do not need to be in the military to join PenFed. Almost anyone can become a member, and once you are in, you unlock access to credit cards that are very different from what big banks usually offer. PenFed credit cards are not flashy. You will not see aggressive advertising everywhere, but quietly, they offer some of the lowest interest rates, fair fees, and powerful benefits in the industry, especially for people who value long-term financial stability more than flashy points. Let's start by understanding what PenFed credit cards really are. PenFed offers several types of cards, including low-interest cards, cashback cards, travel rewards cards, and specialty cards for balance transfers and credit building. In 2025, their most popular categories are low-rate cards, cashback cards, and travel-focused cards. One of the biggest advantages PenFed offers is low interest. While many major bank credit cards have interest rates that regularly exceed 25%, PenFed's low-rate cards often sit in the mid to high teens, and sometimes even lower for well-qualified members. This is a massive difference. Over time, that lower interest can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars, especially if you ever need to carry a balance. You won't believe what happens next when people finally compare real numbers. A person carrying a $3,000 balance at 27% interest can easily pay several $100s more per year in interest compared to someone carrying that same balance at 15%. That difference alone can be the cost of a vacation, an emergency fund boost, or a month of rent. PenFed also keeps fees low. Many of their cards have no annual fee. Late fees are more reasonable than many subprime cards. There are fewer surprise charges. This makes PenFed cards more predictable and less stressful to manage. Now let's talk about accessibility. PenFed is not just for people with perfect credit. They do offer credit cards for people with good and excellent credit, but they also have options for people who are rebuilding. Their credit builder cards and secured cards are designed to help members move forward without being trapped in high-fee subprime products. Membership is easy. You can join PenFed by opening a small savings account. You do not need to have military connections anymore. This makes PenFed one of the most accessible, high-quality financial institutions available to everyday consumers. Now let's talk about rewards, because this is where many people underestimate PenFed. PenFed cashback cards often offer strong flat-rate cashback on everyday purchases, with bonus categories like gas, groceries, and dining. Their travel cards offer points that can be redeemed for travel, gift cards, and statement credits. While PenFed does not always have flashy sign-up bonuses like some big banks, their long-term value often outweighs short-term promotions. Customer service is another area where PenFed quietly shines. Because it is a credit union, it is member-focused rather than profit-driven. This means policies are often more flexible. Fee waivers are sometimes easier to get. Payment arrangements are sometimes more forgiving. Many users report smoother interactions compared to big banks. Online banking and mobile apps are solid and improving each year. Account tracking, payments, and alerts are easy to manage. This makes staying on top of your credit much easier. Now let's look at real-world scenarios. Imagine a family that uses a PenFed cashback card for groceries, gas, and everyday spending. Over a year, they earn several $100s in cashback. They pay no annual fee. They occasionally carry small balances but benefit from lower interest. Over 5 years, they save thousands in interest and earn thousands in rewards. PenFed becomes their financial anchor. Now imagine someone rebuilding credit who opens a PenFed secured card. They deposit a few $100s. They use the card responsibly. After a year, they qualify for a PenFed unsecured card. Their credit improves. They stay inside the PenFed ecosystem, benefiting from lower rates and better terms as they grow. This creates a smooth financial ladder that many banks simply do not offer. Here is the surprising truth about PenFed. It is not built to trap you. It is built to keep you. And that is exactly what you want from a financial institution. So is PenFed worth it in 2025? For most people, The answer is a strong yes. If you want lower interest, fewer fees, strong rewards, and long-term stability, PenFed is one of the smartest places to build your credit life. It is especially powerful for families, military members, veterans, and anyone who values financial peace over flashy perks. It may not be the best fit for people who only care about huge sign-up bonuses or luxury travel lounges. But for everyday financial life, PenFed is one of the strongest and most underrated options available. Most people get this wrong because they think all credit cards are basically the same. They are not. The structure of your card can quietly shape your financial future. Here is a simple way to decide. If you want predictable costs, strong long-term value, and a relationship with a member-focused institution, PenFed is absolutely worth it. If you want flashy bonuses and temporary perks, you might look elsewhere. Your credit card should not just help you spend, it should help you grow. PenFed does that quietly, steadily, and powerfully. If this review helped you see PenFed in a new light, make sure you stay connected for more honest breakdowns that help you make smarter financial decisions. Your money deserves better tools. Choose wisely, and let your next decision build you forward.